here on Buckingham Direct, one of the lesser known Boulder left-hand canyon trails.
Taking a chance out on a limb, learning to dance. Let's play pretend. I've never been here, love, and everything is changing. Making a wish upon a star. I took your hand. We've come so far. The future is waiting. Fresh like the morning. Yeah, I heard them say.
It's just as windy as we thought it would be up here today.
Sounds like an angel.
Actually getting a little bit of running in. Yeah. Mostly it's a power hike right now.
Late in the night, cause like a knife already here. Somehow not quite. I wonder how to break through. I never tried to fit in. This is my chance, go for it all. Passes behind, the fire and the fall. And even when I stumble, I know you will catch me. And I don't quite know what to do, but this I promise you, we'll go together so tall. Up I will see it all. Up in these was that too late? Missed it and left just right before the opening step. I'm all in my head now, fumbling for answer. The triumph and loss, carry my cross, can't find the path you stole from my heart. Can we ever get back the things that we let go? I don't quite know what to do, but this I promise you, we'll go together so tall.
Meg and I are on one of the left-hand canyon trails near Boulder, Colorado, and came up super windy earlier. It's actually really windy in the trees right around me, but not at this level. But anyway, it's a great trail. There's a lot of great trails here. It's a very popular mountain bike area, especially this time of year. There's, the snow melts off of this area pretty fast. There's a lot of south-facing aspect, but it's a great time. Left-hand canyon, nice place to hike, run, or ride a bike.
Where I will see up in these bridges.
Yeah, finishing up the run. Almost at the picnic area. Alright, that was another fun run Saturday morning at Buckingham picnic area, Buckingham Park. Left-hand canyon. A lot of wind and a lot of sun and good times.
Yes.